Hello everyone, welcome again to Walk, Talk, Dress and Impress. Today I'm going to talk to you about 10 things you must give up to move forward. So everybody wants to move forward in life. We don't want to get stagnant just because we are feeling emotional about something or such an event is happening in our life which is stopping us from moving ahead. So there are 10 things you have to keep in mind to move ahead in life smoothly. So, the first thing you have to remember is to let the opinions of others control your life. See, it's in human nature. People love to talk about each and every person, and especially they want to talk about a person who somehow has disturbed them in some way, and mostly it's because the other person has something which they don't have. So it's kind of a jealousy, and people love to talk and put you down. So just don't let that affect you. So do not let anybody's opinion be your belief system. The second thing which you must give up to move ahead in life is the shame of past failures. We all fail, it's natural. And I think if you learn from your mistake and then don't repeat it, I think you still become a winner. But if you continue to repeat the mistakes again and again and again, that is the biggest mistake of your life. So do not turn back. Learn from that experience and move ahead in life. And whatever has happened. You cannot change it anymore. But you can always work on your future and your present. So do not go back to your past. The third thing is being indecisive about what you want. Sometimes we are so confused about what we want. So we are trying this, we are trying this, we are trying that, and we leave it midway. Oh, this is not working for me, that is not working for me. So, first and foremost, you should be very clear about the goals in your life. What exactly is it that you want? And then find the direction to move in that in that destination towards what you're looking for. So instead of being confused about what you're looking for, best is that you focus and first see what exactly is it that you really want in life. So decide, don't be undecisive. The next thing is procrastinating on the goals that matter to you. Maybe you want to get up in the morning every day, but no, tomorrow. Maybe you want to start losing weight, no, maybe tomorrow. Maybe you want to do some course, maybe tomorrow. So we keep postponing, and no one knows if tomorrow comes. And if you keep postponing, one fine day you'll turn around and say, oh my god, I thought about it so many years back, but I still haven't done it. And by the time has moved on. So stop procrastinating things which you can do now. The next thing is choosing to do nothing. That's what lazy people do. So if you see a situation, you have to take action. If there's a crisis, you have to take action. You cannot be just sitting and staring at the problem and wishing that it goes away. So you have to take action. You have to come out of your comfort zone, take risks sometimes in life, but that's the only way you move ahead. So if you do nothing, you get nothing. Very, very important. Then you need to be just stop with the feeling that you always need to be right. It's not necessary that you'll always be right. There may be people who know better than you, and if they're giving you some advice and still your ego stops you because it says, no, you are right. So it's not necessary. We all go wrong sometimes. So quit thinking that you're always right all the time. Then running from problems that should be fixed. So we keep running away from problems. Okay, maybe I'll think about it later, or you don't want to face it because it appears out of your comfort zone, or it appears that you have to work on it quite a bit. So it's very, very important that you do not run away from your problems, just face them head on. Only then would you find the solution. The next thing is making excuses rather than decisions. So this is what people who are losers do. They always keep making excuses. Where the winner finds the problem, the winners find the solution, losers always find the problem. So stop doing that. Another important point is overlooking the positive points in your life. We are always only concentrating on our own negatives. We are looking at the positives of others and not their negatives. and we are looking only at the negative of ours and never the positive one. So what you have to do is to change the side of the mirror towards you and keep looking at your positives, because you have so many of them which you ignore just because you focus on your weaknesses and they become larger and larger and larger in your mind. And the last point is not appreciating the present moment. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful you're breathing. Be grateful that you're living. There are so many people who want to be in your shoes right now. So appreciate this present moment you have. And if you collectively think of these 10 points, these are the 10 roadblocks which actually stop us from moving ahead in life. And if even if not 10, you work on 5, 6 of them, you would yourself see the difference, how it is helping you to step forward in life. So think about it, and I will see you soon with another topic very, very soon. Till then, take care.